Almost forgot problem number 9 here. It says if a patient takes 500 grams of pain medication every 8 hours and the half-life of the medication is 8 hours, how much will be in the system on the third time he takes the pain medicine? Okay, well, let's go ahead and do that part first. Okay, he gets 500 grams. Then after 8 hours, he's down to 250 because that's the half-life, but he gets another dose which brings him up to 750, another dose of 500 grams. So that's the second dose. Okay, now he gets after the half-life, he's down to half of this 750, which is 375, and he gets his third dose of 500 grams, which brings him up to 875. So that tells you how much he has on his third time of taking it, 875 grams. Now, it says, is the amount of pain medication leveling out? If so, what is the level off to, and what would be the equation? Well, the amount that it's leveling out to is equal to the dosage amount over 1 minus the amount that remains. Well, it's a half-life, so half is gone and half remains. So it's 500 over 1 minus 0.5. 1 minus 0.5 is a half, and 500 divided by half is 1,000 grams. So that's how much remains, or that's what it levels out to right there, 1,000 grams. Now, the equation is equal to the amount that it levels off to, 1,000, minus the amount that it levels off to minus the amount that you started off with. Well, 1,000 minus 500 is 500, times the percent that remains, 0.5, raised to the x minus 1. So this should be the equation right there that would give us the amount of medication in the bloodstream after X amount of doses. So I'll go to the Excel sheet, and I went to the AnyGraph sheet, and right here in cell B10 I typed equals 5,000 minus 500 times parentheses 0.5 carried up raised to the parentheses x minus 1 power. Hit enter, and I'll go down and click the get here, click here to get graph. And if I check this, let's just go 1 to 5, and we can see that it looks like it's leveling off to 1,000. And we can check it. Well, I'll tell you what. Let's go start at 1. And here's his initial dose at 500. Looks like it's leveling off to 1,000. And let's see what we get. Well, at 1 we had 500, and at 2 we have 750, and at 3 we have 875. So it looks like it's working out for us. That is the equation. If we go out farther, we can really see what it levels out to, and it does level out to 1,000. If we scroll way down here at the bottom, you can see you're extremely close to 1,000 at the end of 10 doses. You're up to 999.02. So it's getting closer and closer to that. So that should do it. Besides these problems that we went over, there's also logistic equations, but those type of problems, all you really need to do is go to the logistic sheet, put in your coefficient. Remember that it has a horizontal asymptote, and it actually has 2 horizontal asymptotes, and they're told for you here, told what they are here, and also you can put in an x to get a y or a y to get an x. There is a difference between logistic and logarithmic, so make sure you are clear about what sheet to use. Read it carefully. That'll do it.